In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the brake pads on a Toyota Quantum. Replacing worn brake pads is essential for safe driving, and you can do it yourself with just a few basic tools. Start by parking the van on a flat surface and securing the wheels with chocks. Loosen the lug nuts slightly, then lift the vehicle using a jack and support it with jack stands. Remove the wheel to access the brake caliper. Next, locate the two bolts holding the caliper in place. Remove them with a socket wrench and carefully slide the caliper off the rotor. Don't let it hang. Support it with a wire or rest it on something solid. Now remove the old brake pads from the caliper bracket. If they're stuck, gently pry them out. Slide the new pads into place, making sure they fit snugly. Before reinstalling the caliper, compress the piston using a C-clamp or brake tool so it fits over the new pads. Reattach the caliper, tighten the bolts, and put the wheel back on. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more hands-on car repair tips. Thanks for watching.